Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with FlexOffers for affiliate program discovery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for FlexOffers, which is www.flexoffers.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can choose between publisher and advertiser options. Since you want to register as a publisher, select the publisher option. Now, fill out the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and password. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you will be prompted to provide additional details about your website or platform. Enter your website URL if you have one, or indicate your primary platform, such as a blog or social media channel. Provide a brief description of your content and audience. After filling in your information, click on the Submit button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the FlexOffers website and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you can explore various affiliate programs listed on the platform. Use the search feature to find specific programs that match your niche. Once you find a program you're interested in, click on it for more details. If it fits your needs, apply to that program by clicking on the Join button. After your application is submitted, you will receive a notification about its approval status. Once approved, you can start promoting your chosen affiliate programs. That's it. You are now registered with FlexOffers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.